Alright guys, we made it back to the job today. We are installing the Menards opener. You can see the model here. It is a Chamberlain we decided to go with. It looks like it's a B22 or 2401 on here. And we got the girls today. I got both of them because I'm a little under the weather. So we got both of them. They're going to see what they can do to tear out the Genie Glide, Chain Glide I think it's called. We're going to install a new one, and here is the packaging so far. We're getting her cracked open. The Chamberlain works really nice. It's going to be a belt drive. I think I'll put a post up here. I think it was $177 for this guy, so not a bad deal. There's the rails, the piece together rails. So we'll get started. Stay tuned. Chop it anywhere. Here, go up higher. Right here. That's the cutting spot. Oh, what'd you do? We needed that.
Did I cut both?
First day problems.
It is. Did I cut both?
I can't tell which way it goes.
Down.
Cut both.
Down.
Down.
They're both out the nuts.
Yeah.
There we go. Swiggle it. Go ahead. Have Emmy walk down too. Go ahead, Em, if you can start walking down.
You got it? I'll go help her.
No, I need you to just take this in.
I got you.
Except we got a wire hanging up here, so got it? Don't move. Stay there. Let me, I don't know where the cutters are. They're there. Okay, I think that's it. One more.
Whoa.
Hang on. Hang on to it good. There's that. Okay, it's all you. Don't drop it. Go ahead and walk it. Let's go ahead and hang on a second, girls. Let's go ahead and take. You know where our junk pile is, right, Cora? Just watch your footing, then. Go outside of the truck, yeah, outside. That way you don't. Oh, you're good, Cora. You're going pretty far there. There you go. Go ahead. Ew! My hands. Oh, screwdriver.
I still have to finish.
While we're here right now, you guys told me to put the clips on, so I'm putting the clips on. So the clips are going on.
Will that stick? Watch out. Ow, it's hot.
Let's do another one. Slide another one. Cora, stick one in.
Does it matter which one?
Nope, not really. There's that. Stick another one. Gonna be a little tall in here, aren't we? Probably can't do it. Do it. Go ahead, stick it in.
There.
Go ahead. Slam her down. There you go. Let the tall guy do it. There's that. Okay. Got one more, which is going to be the nose. Emmy, bring that one out.
Hey, do I keep this?
Throw it out. It slides out. Go ahead, Cora. Throw it on the end here.
This side?
Yep. It only goes one way.
I think we can stand it up. Yeah, we can do it.
We'll stand it up like this. Boom. There you go.
That's tall. It is.
There's our rail. Bada bing, bada boom. Only one remote. So it should be two. It's probably somewhere else.
Yeah. Oh wait, no, it's right here.
Had me nervous. Okay. So I haven't seen, here's the new photo eyes. I can't say I'm real impressed. Pretty small. I hear you guys complain about these, so it's the first time I touched them. So we can put it in there. Oh, it goes like that. So it's important on these. I always, I used to neglect not putting these stoppers in. But I've actually ruined, the one I've ruined before was actually this pulley that goes on the front. The limits were off, it was my fault. And so it's, right here's the tab you gotta tip up. You gotta put that tab up so the trolley can't smash in, because I've smashed this. This is just one of those things that if you don't have one, I can't reproduce this. So you're kind of dead if you smash that and crack it and it doesn't work anymore. Your pulley, you're done. So don't forget to put your stoppers up, that's a must. I'm sure not used to the different, not having the wing nuts and the carriage bolts. This is throwing me for these photo eyes. It took me a few minutes just to find them. I hear you guys talk about these are not the nicest, so I can see the base is definitely smaller. We'll see how they go. We got the pigtails on there. Another thing I kind of noticed, this one doesn't say it's a trans. The other one said input on it. And without the LEDs being on there to tell, I always could tell with the colors, with the orangish or whatever to the green. I'm assuming that this is the trans, I'm assuming. And with the sun, what I'm trying to do is make sure this one's on that side because the sun hits this side, so I basically want it to shoot the beam always across, because I think the sun's not going to hit that side as much. But this side already gave us problems this morning with the genie one. So something to think about is where your sun is. These things can be sensitive to sun. You can mess them up, screw them up.
I think that's all the way up.
First day, my rookie mistake.
Can't get it off now.
Something just for a little caveat is you don't screw around with these, right? They're spring loaded. You gotta wait. Read the instructions. There's a flat spot on here. You can see how this all sticks together. The majority of the time, the opener, you always typically start at the nose. Everything is based off the nose typically in general. That's kind of how the old stuff used to be with mechanical limits. Obviously I know this is different, but we're going to get this snugged up. And then we'll bust this spring loose. Now I typically put them a hair tighter than what they recommend. Just a hair, not a lot. Grab me a ½ inch, please, right? Perfect, and then watch. We're gonna break this loose. It's a one-time deal here. If I can't get my wrench in there for whatever reason. Never had one do that before.
Oh, dang it, what an idiot!
Did I put it on? I put it the wrong way.
Oh, man.
First day. First day. It's been a minute. No wonder I couldn't get my wrench on it. I put it on the wrong way. Oh, oh, the sickness must be getting to me. There's more than one way to skin a cat. So they say. Yeah, that's better. I definitely really kiboshed it. Definitely kiboshed it. Very nice. Very nice. Oh yeah, there it is. A little bit of stub right here sticking out. That's about what I always remember it being. Perfect. You can move her out or something? I call it giving the wiggle wiggles.
I got the pin.
Oh, okay.
I just gotta put this in now. That good?
All set. Alright, need your ladder?
Huh?
Alright, take your ladder.
Hey.
Well, we ran into a problem. The other opener is definitely spun differently, right? This one's got a weird, so we got these covers on here, and we're hitting. We're hitting. So, it's kind of like one of those things I talk about, the variables. We got a variable here. So now what do we do with this variable? Might have to get you a little closer here. I'll show you. I want to show you guys something. Maybe Corey can get a little closer, but so what I do, what I've learned over the years, because this can be problematic, is if you don't get this these done quite right, they can kind of short out in a sense, these wires. So what I do is I got my black, my white and black together, and then what I'm going to do is what I do is I actually like to twist them, right? And you get a little nub on there. You can see that? Get the little nub on there. I clean that nub off. Same thing over here. I'll twist it. Twist, twist, twist. So we got a good connection, because unfortunately we got to pair them up. Like that. And then right here, we obviously got it where it goes black. Push. It's nice if you got a nice little screwdriver for it too. This, and voila. There you go. And I put piggy tails on here for the next person in case they got to move something. So there we go. We're getting close to firing it up. Hopefully. Okay, you're fine. Go ahead. Be ready to stop it. A little higher. A little higher. Let's get it to look like the other one. Can you push the button on the other door? Right here?
The black. Black one?
Yep. Yep. Okay, that's interesting. Did we knock the cord? I think we knocked the cord loose over there.
Hold it.
That one is. Oh,
It's gonna be good. It's Stanley.
how did it unplug? Who unplugged it? Okay, try again. I hope so.
If not, you have to click it.
It'll stop. It'll stop.
I know that.
Yeah, right. You didn't know it. Did you stop it?
No.
Oh.
Sorry.
Oh, stop right there. Because that looks about. Maybe go down arrow, just a smudge. Right. Can you go up a smudge? Just a bump. One more bump. Keep going. Oh, too far.
Huh?
Too far. See what I'm trying to line up? That door to this door. We're in the header. That's probably gonna work. That'll work. All right, now you hit the center button once. Okay. Now we do the bottom. Yep. Go ahead. I don't know what's up with quality control there. Must have lacked that day a little bit. I don't know what that's for. So. The door did travel down farther than what I set it to, so they still drift fast. They're down like they've always have. I don't know what's up with that, but that worked.
Okay, can I start?
I thought I was losing my mind, but I guess it doesn't. I didn't realize. I thought it came with an outside keypad. So we got remote, photo eyes, wall button. But you can do everything from your phone. So
What's the matter?
I guess I don't know. No wall button though, or no outside keypad.
Ready?
I'm ready.
Oh.
My fingers.
Oh no! We gotta call 911.
How could you?
Oh no, I don't know. I asked if you were ready.
Get rid of this old one. That's kind of a bummer. I thought the new one had a keypad. No keypad. No slide. Well, I forgot the outro, so I'll leave you with the kids. They were bright-eyed, bushy-tailed when they got there, and they were zonked out on the ride home, so they got a nap. Lucky boogers. So thanks for being here. Thanks for watching. Take care, you guys. We'll see you on the next one.